Hello, welcome to the garage. So this will be a build series on a Nissan 350Z that I'm finishing up for a customer. It'll be a mid-mount turbo VQ setup, so it should be pretty exciting, pretty fun. I'll take you through step by step of where I'm at in the progress and further. This will be a multi-part series, I guess you would call it. But I'll take you step by step through the process and how I would go about it and what I'm going to do to ensure that everything is properly set up. Alright, so the way that I'm going to put this back is I want to put the engine harness on the engine first and then leave that side hanging when I put the engine and transmission in here. To me, that's just a lot easier, so I'm going to try and get this apart. Like little push tabs right here, kind of. I don't know what they're called, but no bolt right there. Oh, I guess that's for that side. So supposed to be 2 tabs, I assume. 2 of these push pins. And then this is your engine wiring harness. Huh. I don't know. I'll worry about that in a minute. Check out the car side. Molding probably. Pop up. Okay. Trim too. I assume. Oh, there's a. That looks like a 12 mil. What the fuck? It's huge. Oh, and tight too. And that can be it. Jesus. God. That's crazy. That's a strong ass clip. Jesus Christ. That thing's buff. Okay, so I got this out. Basically, I have the light here. See this little fucking tab thingy? And there's a little, I don't know if you can see, look at the helmet head cam on, but you push that against that little tab right here, in here with a flathead, jam it all the way like through this into the back, and then pull it all together as one whole thing. with the flathead at the same time. Like push with the flathead and pull with this. It should pop off this little tab. It's a pain in the ass. Remove this 10 mil bolt. Let's see. Huh. Yeah. Jesus. And then there's where the cigarette lighter is, the clip. Okie dokie. There's the ECU. Yeah. Let's okay. There we go. There we go. Make sure that's out. And we'll unplug from there. What else? This one. Alright. Oh, that one, that one, that one. That one, that one, that one. That's it. Seems like that's it. Let's find out. Alright, so what I did was, I already had these unplugged, but took the lid or cap, I guess, off of here so I could get a flathead in between it. And you can push on these little, like the beveled part of the plastic, pull the whole entire like seal thing up. I think it'll be able to reseal a lot better than if you pulled the rubber from the plastic, but who knows. But anywho, then you just pull it all the way up, and then I undid these two just a second ago. All you do is push in the center of this through this little hole, push in the center of it with like a flathead, and then it should just slide right up. Well, hopefully, as long as I get everything unplugged. Seems like a big fat bundle trying to fit through a little hole. Might have to cut some of this. Together stuff and just pull like that piece up. If that's possible. Maybe I'm not fully unplugged here. Oh, it seems like it though. Here we go. Okay, there's the white clip in the, oh fuck. I didn't, rookie move. Rookie move. I didn't tighten the clip back on the harness. There we go. Wow, it should slide through no problem. That's a rookie maneuver. It's alright. Decent. Decent. Alright, so I got the harness off and I got the motor over at my friend's house, and his garage is actually out of fuel right now. So I'm going to load this up in the truck, grab some fuel jugs, pick him up, go get some fuel for his garage where the motor's at, and try and get it warm again. So, see you in a second. I got the fuel jugs, 1, 2, 3. Got the wiring harness. Off to Dylan's. $35. That shit fucking sucks. 25 below.
Yeah.
You just call me Tubbs?
No.
Oh, you would grab the 1 galloner.
Bro, I didn't fucking vote check it. We've arrived at our destination.
Are you shitting me?
Yeah, no.
Oh, top of the tank. You got a shovel or what?
You just flip that open. Other way.
Get that out of here. Are you fucking kidding me? Jesus Christ. You're off the chain, dude. So, after dumping fuel in there, me and Dylan got to bullshitting, and we were deciding that it's almost easier just to transport everything back over here, because I did all the sealing and everything on the engine. Basically, got it all sealed up, timing chain on, oil pan on, and so forth. Basically, remain sealed too, and that way, instead of trying to put the trans and stuff on it together, it'd be a pain in the ass to fucking carry over here and try and haul and stuff. So might as well bring it back over here. So that's what me and old Dylan just did. All the Nissan goodies. Seems pretty sweet. Got a comp turbo, and it's the super weird grease You gotta grease it, I guess, every oil change. It's a grease turbo instead of oil fed. Really weird. Pretty cool though. Supposed to be good for Alaska and cold climates where an oil takes a minute to get there. But the plan is put the we'll get some intake spacers or fuel rail spacers, sorry, and then bolt that down for good, and then basically put the wiring harness on it. Find the dowel pins for the clutch, because when I don't know if you'll be able to see, but when they resurfaced it, they didn't put the dowel pins back in, unfortunately. So I'm gonna steal some off a different car, probably, or a different flywheel, ones that fit good. But there'll be more progress in the following days. Keep watching.
Tomorrow.
Subscribe and like for more.